thank you to the thousands of people who have reached out to me to express your concern, your appreciation, and your solidarity. Your texts, emails, phone calls, and social media postings have meant more to me than words can express. To the media, I thank you for being patient and respectful of the time I requested. I will be brief. 1 week ago today, a tragic event occurred that is forever etched in my mind. In an effort to be present at the signing of legislation affecting all Georgia voters, the Capitol Police arrested me. At that moment, I had no clue what was happening. And I am not ashamed to admit that I was afraid of what might happen. The recurring questions flooding my mind were, why are they doing this? Where are they going to take me? As I sat down that evening, I kept thinking, why? Why did they arrest me? I felt as if time was moving in slow motion. My experience was painful, both physically and emotionally. But today I stand before you to say that as horrible as that experience was, and as difficult as it is to acknowledge that I am facing 8 years in prison on unfounded charges, I believe the governors signing into law the most comprehensive voter suppression bill in the country is a far more serious crime. A law with such nefarious qualities that several of Georgia's Fortune 500 companies have begun knocking on the door too. When I see the photo of Kemp in his office, perched at his desk, strategically positioned under a disgraceful painting of a South Georgia plantation, flanked by a group of 6 white legislators, all male, in one stroke of the pen, I am reminded how important it is to stay focused on the issue at hand. Voter suppression in Georgia is alive today on the first day of April. He has erased decades of sacrifices, incalculable hours of work, marches, prayers, tears even, And as he minimized the deaths of thousands who have paid the ultimate price for the right to vote, I stand before you to thank you for standing with me and to give a moment to my attorney to make a statement on the next steps.
I'm David Dreyer, representing Representative Cannon along with Gerald Griggs and Michael Sterling. Gerald, you want to say something?
And so I think it's important at this moment that we recognize the significance of this moment and the courageousness of Park Cannon for standing for voting rights and to make sure the voices of millions of Georgians can be heard. But we also need to recognize that she faces great risk. And it's important that we understand that this is an ongoing criminal matter and that we are serious about defending this to the fullest extent of the law and making sure that Park's name is cleared. So it's important for everyone to hear her voice and to make sure they understand that she is resolute to fight these charges. I'm proud to be with the legal team, with Representative Dreyer, as well as Michael Sterling, and we will continue to fight for Park Cannon to clear her name. Keep knocking with Park Cannon.
So, Representative Cannon has been accused of 2 felonies. Legal defense is expensive. It takes a lot of time. I know there's a lot of people that want to support Representative Cannon. We need you now. We have a GoFundMe. You can go to gofundme.com/IStandWithPark. GoFundMe.com/IStandWithPark. We're going to support Park. We're going to get Representative Cannon through this difficult time with your help, and any remaining funds will be used to protect voting rights in Georgia. At this time, we are undertaking an extensive investigation of everything that could affect the charges against Representative Cannon, including disciplinary histories, past actions, but it's going to take some minute. We appreciate your patience while we get this information together and make sure we offer Representative Cannon the best legal defense we possibly can. Like Attorney Griggs, I'm proud to stand and represent Representative Cannon. Representative Cannon will be vindicated, but we are going to do a thorough investigation and we are going to carefully proceed in this matter, and we appreciate your understanding of that. Thank you. I think we're good.
We're good.
We're good. You did one.